pain in the back pain because I was working in a heavy duty worker and looked like I paralyzed.
Wow.
And
Nice. What did you feel?
oh my God.
All right, so we got Akbar second time.
Yes.
How did you find us?
Actually, I follow you 1 year, so like in the Facebook.
Facebook for
Yeah,
1 year you've been following us?
yeah.
Awesome, okay.
And then after that, I lots of see your video, and then after that, I decided to come to you.
Okay. So what was the reason you came in the first place?
Actually, I have a long history, short. Say I had 2003 started to the pain in the back pain because I was working in a heavy duty worker. So then after that, my pain is going up, and then his pain is worst and look like I paralyzed.
Wow.
And then I was admitted in the hospital, and one of the doctor, the Chinese doctor, he did need the acupuncture, and then I feel okay, it's 1-2 years, and coming back again, my pain in the back. So still suffering before I come your office. So and then after that you cheat me in the first time. I'm feeling my better.
Much
now.
better. I remember he
Like-
wasn't able to walk. Remember? You
Yeah,
barely walking.
one thing I show.
Right.
I was not touching. I was come like
Right.
down is right there. Now I can touch in this toe.
Beautiful.
So that
Beautiful.
means it's much better.
Amazing.
And when I stand up, I always like that.
Yes.
Now I like totally
Straight.
straight.
Beautiful.
Yeah, because of that, my back is little bit down. Is the pain.
Right.
So
Right.
I hope it's gonna be okay.
And that was just one visit with you.
Yeah,
Right?
that's
so for
true.
1 year, you're a taxi driver.
Yes,
Right?
I'm
so
the taxi
so
driver.
for 1 year, he's been suffering and taking time off from work. Right?
Yeah.
You missed some time work.
No, yeah. Sometimes means 13, 14 days. I sometimes not working when I have a pain
Right.
because the pain goes to in the leg until in here.
Amazing.
So,
We just went over his x-rays that showed him, right, the curvature.
Yeah,
is
curve.
very important to have those in a proper alignment. So today we're going to be doing a second adjustment so that you can continue to improve.
Yes.
You
yes,
ready?
Yes.
Let's
I'm
go.
ready.
Let's go on your back. Okay. So one thing we were checking is your reflex. Remember that?
Yeah, there's not.
It wasn't jumping at all.
Yeah.
So let's check right now. Okay. Bend more. That's it. And completely relax. A little bit. A little bit here. Better than before, but not where we want it to be. Okay, lift your head. You're gonna put your teeth together, clench your teeth, take a deep breath in through your nose, and breathe out. Completely relax. Completely relax. Let it go. What did you feel?
Feel everything great.
All the way down?
Yes.
All the way down. Okay,
Yes.
relax, breathe, breathe. Let's check your reflexes. Good. Nice. Okay. Okay?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Put your head down, put your head down. Just relax. Let me adjust the neck. Gonna adjust. Relax. Good. Relax. Nice. Okay, you're gonna do the ankles. Completely relax. Let it go. Ooh. Relax. You felt that?
Yes.
That was amazing. Okay, now we're gonna go there. Turn on your side. Let's go on your face down.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, bend your knees. Good. Relax. Turn on your back. Okay, bend your knees and hug yourself. Good. Relax. One more. Oh my God. Let's go on this side. This side.
Yes.
Okay. Straight leg. Bend. That's it. Like this. Let me have this arm. Relax your arm. I need you to relax completely. Let it go. What did you feel?
Oh my God. Oh.
How was it?
Ow.
Okay, come closer. Good. Then, inhale this arm.
Oh my God.
Okay. Relax. Let it go.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. There you are. Oh.
Come on.
Relax natin.
What did you feel? Tell me, what did you feel? Wow, look at you sweating.
This is the pain is going. That's
Wow,
wow.
that's amazing. Okay, we're not done. Okay, this one's over here. Hold on. Let it go. And the shoulder. I want you to relax. Let it go. Let it go. Good. Nice. This one. Like this. Let it go. There you go. All right. Let me see. Let it go.
Wow. That's amazing. Wanna do it? Yeah, that's like relax everything. Because there's pressuring so much in my back.
Yes.
Really like this, na?
Yes.
Feeling like a
It's
relief.
so. You see, sit down straight now. If before see my wife, like I was so
You
I'll
always
let him sit
slouch
down
like
because I have to not pressuring in the back. It's so relaxing like now I like
Much more relaxed.
much relaxed.
Beautiful. Okay. Relax. Good. Relax. Nice. Ooh. Good. Relax. What did you feel?
Oh my God.